log in to LutinX.com. Hit login and then sign up. Select Company/Association for Enterprises. A new window will pop up and it will ask you to enter a few necessary information for the first time. Enter all the details and hit Sign Up. Please note that the presentation code will be provided to you via email when you buy our license online or if one of your friends or colleagues provide it to you. You will receive an email to your registered email address with a confirmation and your unique user ID. Congratulations! You have successfully signed up in LutinX.com. Here is a simple process for enterprises to upload their KYC information. Go to LutinX.com and click on Login. Enter your newly received user ID and the password. When you log in for the first time, LutinX tool takes you directly to the KYC page. Enter your company location information, including address, state, and country. In the tax page, enter your company registration number, incorporation date and place, and tax number. In the ID page, add your identity or passport number, issue date and place, and validity information. In the next page, enter your personal information such as gender and phone number. In the Images page, please attach a selfie, front and back of your identity card, a recent utility bill of the company, and finally, a scanned copy of the incorporation certificate. Click Next when you're done. There you go! Your KYC documents are submitted for verification. It may take maximum 2 business days for final KYC approval. For support, please write to our support team. LutinX.com, your digital innovation partner.